Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the site. Log in with your admin account and create a full disk image or snapshot now before any changes. Once done, freeze writes by placing the site in maintenance mode and disable cron jobs. This prevents further data drift. Make copies of current logs, a database dump, and the web route to offline storage so you have a pristine recovery source. These immediate actions preserve state and give you a safe baseline to work from without risking additional loss. Next, verify backup integrity using checksums and timestamps so you know you're restoring valid data. Then restore the database dump to a staging server and run consistency checks, index rebuilds, and any engine-specific repair tools. Meanwhile, copy site files and media, reapply correct file ownership and permissions, and restore configuration files like env or wp-config. PHP. Make sure to re-enable any necessary storage mounts and secrets only in the staging environment. This prevents accidental production exposure while you validate the restore. Finally, validate everything. Run functional tests, click through critical user flows, and run key database queries to confirm data integrity. Once staging passes, schedule a low-traffic cutover, swap in the restored system, update DNS records and TTLs, and purge CDN and server caches so users see fresh content. After go-live, monitor logs, metrics, and error rates closely for at least 24 to 72 hours. If you encounter mismatches, recheck checksums and restore steps immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.